Hello everyone. In this video, we will be explaining what the XIPrep online learning platform is from a student perspective by giving you a quick demo. Now that you've reached the secure HTTPS version of our website, you may now begin finding the perfect online training course. At the moment, you will notice that we only have several training courses offered, but as we grow, we will be adding many more training courses for your learning experience. Now, if you do find yourself on the non-HTTPS version or the HTTP version of our website, it will look the same, but you will be blocked from logging in. Yes, login is required in order to make a purchase, because when you're done making your purchase, this information will be tied to the account used during login. So that means please make the purchase using the account that you would like to take the course under, because this is the one that the purchase will be tied to. When your purchase is complete and you've entered in all of the information and you make the payment, it will forward you to another screen, which you will see soon, that will have all of your, confirmation details. It will also explain that once you're done, this information will get sent to the email account used during registration. So be on the lookout for an email soon. Now, once you've gotten your enrollment confirmation email, what you're going to do is you're going to come back to the site and log back in. When you relog, if you're already logged in still, depending on how fast it gets completed, what you're going to either do is refresh the page or re-log in. Now that you're logged in again, you should see another option at the top, which I've already clicked on, but it should say Study Buddy. And the Study Buddy portal is where you're going to access all of your, pretty much all your course information in your registered courses. As you can see here, we've clicked on the course that you've purchased, and here's your first set of modules. And you can see on the left there is a navigator menu, which will also let you easily get to your active lesson, or just select any of the previously completed lessons or sections all together, or just look and see what's in the course really quickly besides just using the basic navigation. And while you're in the course, you will notice that you do have built-in voice capabilities that will basically parse the entire lesson, and it will speak to you and read it to you. It's not exactly perfect, but it's really great way to learn and kind of let it read to you while you read along. Personally, I feel like that has really helped me remember and grasp a lot of the material. Now, you're also going to want to look around at the navigation. You're going to notice that you have a timer. This timer is basically how much time that you have to spend in this lesson before you can go on to the next one. Not all lessons are going to have a timer, but in this one there is a timer to ensure that you have taken the time to actually read the lesson material before you can move on. You see, a pop quiz just popped up. That's one thing that I find is really interesting about this. There are going to be pop quizzes to kind of validate that you've actually been paying attention. And this also helps you memorize some of the material, especially the important material, if they've selected the right stuff to quiz you on later on for future quizzes. After completing the first pop quiz, you'll notice we can see a second pop quiz, which is great, so I can talk a little bit more about what you'll see in these assessments. First, you'll notice these ones, they're marked as completed. That won't happen in your normal courses. This is just for demo purposes. Second, you'll see that there are answers down there. If you click on the little eye view icon, you can actually toggle and see what the original question was. And yes, we click the next button and we are now on our next lesson. And just to verify, I'm gonna go back and reuse that navigation active lesson, and it should take us straight to that next lesson that we are in progress in. Looks like the voice settings have carried over from the previous lesson. That's one thing that you'll notice is a feature. This is a local storage, so when you're on different devices, you will have to reset this. But it's really quick, and depending on the device you're on, there are many fun voices to choose from. As you complete lessons, you will notice that your progress will get updated, letting you know just how far along you are, as well as how much is remaining. I hope you enjoy taking these courses as much as we have enjoyed creating them for you.